You might have heard about a woman's fertility, but have you ever heard about a man's fertility? Or how to know a man is fertile? The answer is by semen analysis test. The question is, what semen analysis test is actually? A semen analysis is a medical test recommended for fertility issues or post-vastomy check. Vastomy is a surgical procedure for male sterilization. The semen analysis test checks if the procedure was successful or not. Now, the question is, what semen analysis test checks? A semen analysis test checks sperm count, motility, the movement of sperms, and morphology or external appearance of sperm to assess fertility. It is often done if couple are having trouble conceiving or having infertility issues. Now, let's talk about the procedure of collecting the sample. You will provide a semen sample usually through masturbation in a container. Mostly it is instructed to submit the sample at the laboratory because it must reach the laboratory workbench as soon as possible to avoid liquefaction. Fasting is not required, but avoid ejaculation. Sexual abstinence should be between 2 to 7 days, as ejaculation can affect the quantity and quality of sperms. The specimen should not be exposed to heat, and the specimen container must be kept between 20 degrees centigrade to 37 degrees centigrade to avoid fluctuation. Avoid alcohol or drug. It affects the sperm quantity and quality. Stay hydrated. Avoid smoking and recreational drug. These are some of the reasons of infertility in a man. Do not take herbal or vitamin supplements because doctor's approval is mandatory. Make sure the semen sample should reach the laboratory within 20 to 30 minutes. The limit for semen volume is 1.5 ml. Semen sample should not be consisting of urine sample. Now, the question is, what happens during a semen analysis test? Step 1, registration and instructions. Step 2, collection of the semen sample. The question is what the result tells or says. It checks sperm count, motility, the movement of sperms, morphology, the shape or external appearance of the sperm, volume of sperms, and more. Abnormal results might need repeat test or further checks. Now the point is how to increase male fertility. Increasing male fertility involves a mix of lifestyle changes and dietary adjustments. Here are some key points. Number 1, eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants. For example, fruits, veggies, whole grain, zinc, oyster, beef, chicken, vitamin C, citrus fruits, bell pepper, etc. Number 2, stay hydrated and limit processed foods, sugar and saturated fats. Number 3, exercise regularly but avoid overdoing it. Number 4, manage stress through meditation, yoga or deep breathing. Number 5, get enough sleep.